Nestled away in Northeast Valley, Dunedin is your perfect home away from home. It was originally built in the early 1900s, but very recently it has had some major work done. On the outside, the traditional character and charm has been skillfully retained. But on the inside, everything is brand new. The result is a stunning success. The wow factor begins the moment you set foot inside. The tasteful decor, the quality of workmanship, the luxury of modern furnishings, and the comfort of insulation and heating. But it doesn't stop there. The modern kitchen opens onto a deck that offers the best in indoor-outdoor living. They say that you're never far away from anything in Dunedin. This home is just 4 kilometres from the Octagon. That's about a 7-minute drive, even in rush hour. Northumberland Street, somewhere to relax, somewhere to enjoy, and somewhere to indulge yourself.